New at 10, ditching the drug test. A Milwaukee recruiting company says it's time to do away with screenings. But getting businesses to buy in is hard.
It's kind of like that roadblock. Nobody wants to be the first one to jump in the pool.
The agency says that's the solution for companies struggling to fill jobs.
But as Kristen Byrne reports, not everybody is on board with this idea. Kristen?
Steve, this all has to do with the shortage of workers in Wisconsin right now. A man who runs 6 recruiting locations in our state says getting rid of drug testing might help solve this problem.
Peter Weslow with Milwaukee Service First Staffing says companies who drug test in southeast Wisconsin are missing out on at least 20% of the workforce, which these days is already tight.
You've got companies that are dying for workers, but then there's a pool of people that want to work but aren't able to get jobs.
Doing away with pre-employment drug testing, he believes, is a solution, specifically for jobs where accidents are less likely to happen. Clerical workers, for example.
It's not always a one-size-fits-all case. You could take a look at it for different classes of positions.
Lori Greenlease works for MRA, the Management Association in Milwaukee. They help companies with their HR departments. They recently polled employers in southeast Wisconsin, asking if they discontinued marijuana from their drug screening process. 73% said no, only 1% said yes.
Studies show that people who utilize illegal drugs, they're less productive at work, they have higher attendance issues, they're more prone to have accidents at work.
But Peter Weslow says local employers desperate to fill jobs are interested. The conversation has certainly started.
It's kind of like that roadblock. Nobody wants to be the first one to jump in the pool.
And I tweeted out a poll asking what you thought about getting rid of pre-employment drug screens. So far, 68% of you don't do it. That's what they say. 32% of you support the idea. If you want to weigh in, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Kristen_Byrne. Back to you guys.
Interesting conversation. Kristen, thanks.